Hello everybody, welcome to Nayak's Learning Lab. Today we will learn how to write a letter. First we will see the format of the letter, then later we will learn how to write it. And it is beneficial for the beginners, those who are in standard 5th, 6th, 7th or 8th. This video would be special for them. So without delay, let's start the lesson. Letter writing for beginners. Standard 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Okay. Before going to learn the letter, I shall tell you. Okay, we are sending letter to other party to tell or to share our emotions, feelings, and to know their emotion and feeling. So, actually, letters are of two types. One is formal letter, another one is informal letter. What is formal letter? Okay, formal letter is a letter which we are writing to any office, a respected person. But informal letter is a letter which we are writing to our friends, family members, relatives. Okay. And today we'll read about informal letter. Okay. So let's start. Before going to start, I shall tell you, while you are writing formal letter, you should keep in your mind that you can use abbreviation also there. You can use dialects in the middle of the letters. Okay. So I'll let know what is the format of the letter first. Format of the informal. Okay, I shall tell you both formal and informal here. Okay, this is the format of the letter. First, we have to write the sender address, then date, then receiver address, then salutation. Okay, then body of the letter, complimentary closing, sender's name, signature, and designation if any. Okay, listen first. This first you have to write sender address. Okay, sender address means the person who is sending the letter, means the person who is writing the letter is known as his sender. Okay, then date. You have to mention the date on which date you are writing the letter. Then receiver address means okay, the person who will receive the letter. You have to write his or her address. Okay, it is sometimes it is not means this third one is optional. Okay, in informal letter, if you will write, then okay. If you will not write, that will be okay. Then salutation. What is salutation? Okay, as you are writing, dear father, a respected teacher, Okay, my dear Ram. That means salutation means pay respect. Okay, so yeah, and then we have to put a comma just after the salutation. Next, body. Okay, next, body part. Then complementary closing. Okay, it is in case of formal letter. Both in case of formal and other also you can write here. Then last one is sender address, name. Okay, sender's name, signature, and if it any designation. Okay, if you are any post, write the name of the post there. Okay, if you are holding any post there. Then let's know what would you write in the format. Okay, in sender address. Look here, the address and the contact detail of the sender, okay, are written here. Include email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. Okay, then what will you write in sender address? Have to write the detailed contact of the sender, the person who is sending the letter. Okay, you can also write email, phone number if the question is asking. Okay, if not, then don't write. The next, date. Okay, the date is actually written just below the sender address. After leaving one space, leave a little space, then write the date. Okay, third one is a receiver address. Okay, the address of the recipient of the mail or letter. Okay, mail or a letter. You have to write. It is, I'm telling you, optional. Okay, write these things. Receiver address. Okay, in formal letter, not informal letter. Okay, if you write in informal letter, that would be not wrong. Okay, then next one is salutation. Sir, respected sir, madam. Okay, dear father, dear mother, dear grandfather. Okay, dear Ram, like that. Next, fifth, body of the letter. Okay, the matter of the letter is written here. What you want to write, you have to mention here. Okay, you can divide it into 3 paragraphs. If not, then write in a single paragraph. Okay, means there are 2 options. Write in a, if it is a small letter, okay, then write it in a 1 paragraph. If you are writing to any office, then try to write in a, okay, try to divide it into 3 paragraphs. Okay, next one is complementary closing. Okay, means at the end you have to write, okay, best regard to my fathers. It's not like that, such things will mention. Next one is sender's name, signature, and designation. Okay, you have to write your name at the end, small name, not full. Okay, let's see it. Taking an example. Okay, write a letter to your uncle, thanking him for the birthday present he had sent for you. This is the question. Okay, whom do you write first? You are the sender. Okay, who is the receiver? Your uncle is the receiver. So what is the matter? You have to thanking or thanking. Why? For the birthday gift. Okay, let's start it. What do you write first? First write sender address, means your address. Okay, it is your address. Okay, 260 B block, Paschim Bihar, Swampata. Okay, what is next? Next is date. Okay, 21st December 2020. Okay, I left a little space here once. Okay, a little space here. Then I wrote date. Next, okay, what is next? The receiver address. Okay, once again I left a little space here. Okay, then I wrote the receiver address, your uncle's address. 3R/7, sector 2, Acharya Vihar, Bhubaneswar. Okay, it is. What next? Next we have to write salutation. Okay, this is salutation, dear uncle. Then I put a comma. Okay, then I started writing later. What is take my pranam and give pranam to aunt. Okay, and love to Shami. I'm fine here. I hope you will be fine there by the grace of God. It is too easy as you are writing. Okay, writing in your local language. Okay, in your local dialect, such as Hindi, Odia, English, whatever may be, in your state language. Okay, think as the same. First, take my pranam and give pranam to auntie and love to Shami. It is a very easy line. So remember it. I am fine here. I hope you will be fine there by the grace of God. Okay, this is the opening paragraph I made it here. Then I shall write the reason. Thanks a lot for the lovely gift you sent me on my birthday. Then I opened the parcel containing your present. I was thrilled. I became happy. The beautiful wristwatch you sent me was urgently needed by me. Okay, all of my friends have liked it very much. Its golden chain is really very attractive. Okay, as usual, you did not forget my birthday. I'm really grateful to you for your care and affection. Okay, this is the second paragraph. Okay, next one is here. Next paragraph. With utmost love and regards to you and auntie, and a lot of thanks. Okay, so first I wrote, okay, I introduced myself and also I asked how they are. Okay, next my motive. Okay, why I am writing the letter I mentioned here. Next, I gave. Okay, what you can say? Closing, complimentary. You can write here with almost. Okay, love and regards. You can write here. Okay, convey my best regard to you and auntie and a lot of thanks. Yes, affectionately, Pin. Okay, this is the letter we learned here. Okay,